Hey everyone, welcome back to EasyPY. Zero to Hero series. This is episode 9, and today, we're diving deep into Python's package manager, pip. Now, you might already know how to run a simple pip install, but in this video, we'll go way beyond the basics. We'll explore installation, upgrading, uninstalling, dependency management, requirements files, virtual environments, and even troubleshooting common pip errors. So, let's get started and really master pip. Section 1, what is pip? Before pip, Python had a tool called easy_install. Pip replaced it as the standard because it's easier to use and much more powerful. Today, pip comes pre-installed with modern versions of Python. Let's confirm it's on our system. Section 2, Installing Packages. Now, let's install a package. For example, requests. Pip will download it from the Python package index, PyPI. You can immediately use it inside Python. Section 3, Installing specific versions. Sometimes, the latest version isn't what you need. Maybe your project depends on an older version. Pip allows you to install specific versions. Section 4, Upgrading and Uninstalling. Keeping packages updated is important, but you also need to know how to remove them if they're no longer needed. Section 5, Listing and Searching Packages. Pip can show you what's installed, and you can also search the Python package index for libraries. Section 6, Dependency Management, requirements.txt. Now let's talk about one of the most important workflows, managing dependencies with a requirements.txt file. This file records the exact versions of the libraries you're using, so you or your teammates can reproduce the same environment anywhere. Section 7, Virtual Environments plus pip. Here's a crucial best practice: don't install packages globally. Instead, use virtual environments. A virtual environment keeps dependencies isolated per project, so you avoid version conflicts. Notice how Flask is installed only in this environment. When you deactivate it, your global Python stays clean. Section 8. Installing from different sources. Pip isn't limited to PyPI. You can install packages from GitHub, local files, or even zipped archives. Section 9. Upgrading pip and troubleshooting. Pip itself needs updates. And sometimes you'll face errors, like permission issues or dependency conflicts. Let's look at common fixes. Section 10. Bonus, tools built on pip. Finally, let me show you some advanced tools that extend pip. Pip tools for easier dependency management. PyPenv or Poetry for full project and environment management. We won't dive deep into them today, but just know that pip is the foundation, and these tools build on top of it. And that's everything you need to know about pip, from basic installs to virtual environments and troubleshooting. By now, you should feel confident in managing your Python packages like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the other episodes in the Zero to Hero Python series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in episode 10.